everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I share with you how I make this easy Nigerian stew. Trust me, it's so simple to make. And if today is your first time being here, please do it to subscribe and give my videos a huge thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers, I greet you all specially. So in this pot, I have my well seasoned chicken. I season this chicken with nutmeg, thyme, curry powder, chicken seasoning, bouillon cube, ginger and garlic, onion, all of that. And these are my tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onion, ginger. All these I will clean so well and then blend together. To save our time, I fried the chicken off camera, and I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the chicken to make this stew, guys. You know now. So I added my onion. I sauteed the onion for like 2 minutes. As you can see, all the flavors from the onion has been released, and I just added my 2 pieces of bay leaves, and I'll go ahead to add the blended tomatoes. Guys, I'm using enough oil to make this stew. Of course, you fry your stew, you don't cook the stew, so don't even get worried about the oil. Don't worry, I'm going to skim everything off after the cooking process. So this is what we have, this is what the stew looks like after like 10 to 12 minutes. But then I would say allow it to fry a bit more for like 2 to 3 minutes. You can add any seasoning of your choice. So I just added only cumin because I know I use enough seasoning for my chicken. I will add the chicken stock. Guys, have you subscribed? I'm reminding you again to subscribe, but before you forget, and give this video a thumbs up. So I just added some salt. I rinsed my there is no waste in my dish, and I had to rinse the pot I used to cook the meat. I added everything back. The stew is just perfect. The consistency is okay, this way. And I went in with the already fried chicken. Guys, this stew does not take time. It's not the type that you have to toast your tomatoes, in the oven for for some minutes before you blend, or the type you have to boil the tomatoes after blending to reduce the water in it. This one just right to the point. So at this point, I've skimmed off the oil, as you can see. So I'll use the oil for jollof rice, to make egg sauce, whatever oil can do for me, this oil will do it. So guys, let me still remind you to subscribe if you haven't done so, and do it to always come back. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Thank you for helping me grow. I love you all. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.